No. No. Come on, open. Open. Stop. Alright, I just let her take it.
Hi guys, it's Melissa. Thank you for y'all. Today I have a special guest. My niece.
Hi guys, it's Yana from Yana TV.
And today we're doing
Frosted Fishing Frozen 2.
yes, thank you. Let's get started opening. Gonna help me? You gotta take the tape off.
How am I supposed to do that? Oh, okay. That's how. Cause I'm always ripping boxes open. And I don't even care. Wrong way. No, you opened it the wrong way. Why would you do that? I'll do that. I'm good. You just not good.
My work is done.
Okay.
Okay,
The
so I think over here, this piece is supposed to go right here. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Quisha Mel Mom. Whoever catches the most snowflakes is the winner. Okay, so we decided to take the pieces off on the side because it wasn't working properly. So whenever I say go, whoever catches the most snowflakes is the winner. Are you ready?
Yes.
Set, go.
Ooh, come on, snowflake. Snowflake.
No.
These snowflakes though. Woo. Gotcha. Ooh, got you. Got you. Got you. No, got you. Ooh, almost. Come on. Snowflakes. Hee hee. Oh, who's winning? Ooh, wee.
Mel only got 3. Yana, how many you got over there? Come on, Mel.
No.
Yana is the champ. Look at that.
No.
No, I'm finna try it.
No, Mel,
No,
that's
Mel, you
cheating.
cheated. Stop. Oh, it's
because-
upside down.
You just did the thing. You gonna mess up the game. Right?
No, Mel. You cheated. No. No. Come on, open. Open. Stop. Alright, I just let her take it. Mel, why you did that? You cheating.
You got the most anyway, Yana. So round 1 goes to Yana.
Dab on them hair. I don't do dabs, but I just did one. I don't know why.
Okay, y'all wanna play again?
Yeah.
Okay, when I say go, get ready. Marsha said go.
Come on. Stupid thing. They not closing, Mimi. They not working right.
They working right.
No, they not.
I see them closing over here.
Close. Open. Close. That's what it's being. I got you.
Mariana.
It's a rags game. Mel! Stop the whole game. Yeet. Mel got more than me. Probably. Nah, that's not happening. Champ. Open.
Looks like y'all fishing over there. They fishing for snowflakes.
No. Come on, Mel. Stop, Mel. Mel, keep on cheating. No.
Yes!
Bye.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Hit that hit that bell. Bye. Go down
Go
below.
follow me on
Hit
TikTok
that bell.
at Yana on TV8.
And follow us at TikTok, Melanie Walker 91 and Yana TV8. Okay? Bye guys.
Okay.